In this video, I'm going to show you how to add timestamp chapters to your YouTube videos in less than 1 minute. So up until recently, you could add timestamps, but people would have to go into show more and they'd have to go down here into your description and then find what they want and then click on it, and then your video would skip to that point in the video. To enable chapters, so people can just click on it up here in the timeline, all you have to do is go into edit video or go through your YouTube studio, and then in video details in description where you had your time codes, just right above it, all you have to do is add 0:00, and I like to add start after it. How you label your chapters and add the time codes doesn't really matter. You can put the title first with the time second, or like these ones, you can put the time first followed by the title right after it. Either way works just fine. When you're satisfied with your chapter titles and time codes, then all you have to do is click save. Now when you go to your video, it'll have the chapter time codes separated in blocks like this, so people can just click on the one that they want and it'll skip right there. If you got something out of this video or you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I will catch you next time.